the actuator in the pre-infusion position, the actuator in the 9 bar position, the actuator back into the post position, and then the actuator into the off position to stop your shot. Let's get started. First step is you'll need to load up a shot. I'm using 21 grams and my target is 44 grams out. Press the manual button located in between groups 1 and 2 for that group. Then scroll across till you get to WT2. Place your scales under the group head, load your shot, and tear the cup so that it's 0. Start your extraction on the pre-infusion in the middle position. Hold for as long as you are. I'm trying to target 3 seconds. Then push across to your extraction point at 9 bar. Then you want to get ready to pull the actuator back into the post position. I'm aiming for 2 grams of post, but generally I'll stop at about 6 grams prior to the desired weight to give me some time to put the post on. As you can see, and then I put it straight into the off position. Our shot now has been completed. We now need to do the calibration stage. Push the silver button. Using the toggle on the main screen, scroll across to calibrate, click the toggle in. And as you can see, it's a very high weight. We want to put the actual weight that's on the Akai scales. In this case, it's 45 grams. We go to the closest 0.5 of a gram when we're setting this. Once it's set the same, click the toggle in and then go across to yes. Click on yes and then hold the toggle down. And we want to go to brewing parameters. And we want to go to shot 2 and group 1, which is the one we programmed. And we want to clean it up. I want 3 seconds of pre-infusion with 44 grams out and 2 grams of post. Once you've done that, hold the toggle down till the main screen appears. Now let's just check what we've just programmed. So unlock, purge, reload your 21 grams. And we want to check that we're achieving the weight we've just programmed. Now, as you saw on the scales, it was 45 grams. I've changed it to 44 now when I went back into the menu. Now let's see if it goes to that. So I've moved the actuator into position 2, which is shot 2. We start our pre-infusion and then we start our extraction, as you can see. Our target is 44 grams. It's acceptable to be within 0.5 of a gram of the set dose. So let's see what we get on our first shot we pull. Post is going. Okay, so we're very close to 44. Generally speaking, it takes a couple of shots for it to settle in. So I'm going to pull one more shot just to make sure and see if it gets closer to 44. It's not quite within the 0.5 range, so we'll pull one more shot. You don't need to reprogram. You need to let things settle in and adjust. It can take 2 to 3 shots for the machine to achieve what's been programmed. So we're going to pull one more shot just to make sure and see if we can get any closer to the 44 grams out. This is important so that we're not making too many changes. Trust the change you've just done. If you've done every step correctly and entered the data in correctly to the machine, it will be very close. As you can see this time, it's within 0.5 of a gram, 0.4. And that's how you program pre-infusion 9 bar with a post infusion. Good luck.